To unlock a user ID, the transaction code is SU01. Now let us go to the transaction SU01 and take that user ID that is locked. Click on the lock icon, and this will tell you, the message will tell you how the user ID got locked. In this case, user administrator had logged this user ID manually. Now let us go to the table USR02 and see what value the U flag field contains. So let us go to SU16, go to the table USR02, enter the user ID here in the bname field and click on execute, and look for the U flag field value. It is 6264, which means the ID has been locked. And now 64 is for manual locking. Now let us go to the transaction SU01 and unlock the user ID. So go to transaction SU01, enter the user ID and click on the lock icon. Now this lock icon is a toggle between lock and unlock. So if the user ID is locked, when you click on it, the message will come up and tell you why and how it got locked. Now when you click on this unlock icon, the user ID gets unlocked. So click on it, and at the bottom of the screen you would see a message saying the user unlocked if this is permitted in the system. So the user ID got unlocked. So click on it again and you will see the message not locked. So now let us go to the table again, USR02 table, and check for the U flag value. And the U flag value is updated with 0, which is unlocked, not locked. Now you can use SU01 to lock or unlock one user ID at a time, but to lock or unlock mass volume of users, you can use the transaction SU10, and in SU10 you enter the user IDs here and then click on the unlock icon if they are locked. Or again, you can also create a cat steps to do this function, locking and unlocking activity. So you can lock user IDs using or unlock user IDs using the transaction SU01.